Today I want to talk about AP question 2.1 to 2.4 practice. This PowerPoint is made by Jason Peng and Sherry Shen. The first question is to find the derivative of fx. So we will know the derivative of fx is equal to 1 over 2 times 4 sine x plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 4 cosine x, and we will put the 0 into these equations and we will get the square root of 2, and the answer is E. And in these questions we will know we have to find the derivative of xt, and the equation is negative 2 times 1 plus r to the power of negative 2, and then we will simplify it to the 4 times 1 plus t to the power of negative 3 times 1, and then we put the t equal to 0 into this equation and we will get at is equal to 4 and the answer is E. And in these questions we will know the line F and line G is the parallel tangent lines, so the derivative of these two lines is equal. So at first we have to get the derivative of f is secant square x, and the derivative of line G is 2x, and then we know the derivative of these two lines is equal, so the secant square x is equal to 2x, and we will get the answer is C, 2.083. And
A.
the next of these questions, we have to find the derivative of hx, and then this hx is equal to x times 2gx minus f times 3x plus 1. So this equation is x squared g derivative of gx plus gx times 2x minus f of derivative 3x plus 1 and times 3. So we will know this answer is dog. And in these questions we see that hx is equal to fgx, and we have to find the derivative of h1. So we have to find the derivative of hx at first, and we will know that equation is derivative f gx times derivative of gx, and then we put the 1 into this function, we will get the derivative of f g1 times derivative of g1, and then we will simplify it. We'll get the answer is 15, and so that the answer is B. In this function we will know we have to find the fourth derivative of f. So we have into 4 steps. The first is to find the first derivative of g fx. The first is 4 times 2 plus 3x cubic times 3. And then into the next step is the second derivative of f. We will derivative the first derivative of f is 4 times 3 times 2 plus 3x cubed times 3 cubed. And then step by step we will get the answer is C. In these questions, we will know that the fx is equal to absolute x, and then the derivative of fx, and put the x equal to 3 into this derivative, we will know the slope of the absolute x is at x equal to 3. So that answer is 1.
If y equal to 7 is a horizontal asymptote of a ratio function f, then which of following must be true? So according to the horizontal asymptotes, we can easily say that when limit x approaches infinity, the value of y is the horizontal asymptote, which means in here we can have the answer of E because limit x approach infinite fx equal to 7. Then the next question, if fx be a continuous and differentiable function, the table below gives the value of fx and f derivative x. The derivative of x have several values. If gx equal to 1 over fx, what is the value of g derivative 2? So gx equal to fx, then derivative g equal to minus negative fx to the power of negative 2 multiply f derivative x. G derivative x equal to negative 1 over fx squared multiply f derivative x. Then g derivative 2 equal to 1 over 16, which the answer is C. Then the third question, if fx equal to cosine square x, then f second 2 derivative pi equal to, so fx equal to cosine x squared, f derivative x equal to negative sine x multiply 2 cosine x. Then the derivative of the x f derivative of x equal to 2 cosine x multiply negative cosine x plus negative sine x multiply negative 2 sine x. Then the third derivative of f pi equal to negative 2 multiply negative 1 squared minus 2 multiply 0 squared. Then, which means the answer is negative 2, which is A. Moreover, this question, two particles leave the origin at the same time and move along the y-axis with their respective position determined by the function y1 equal to cosine 2x and y2 equal to 4 sine t for 0 is less than x less than 6. For how many values of t do the particles have the same acceleration? So y1 equal to cosine 2t. The derivative of y1 is negative 2 sine 2t. Then the second derivative is negative 4 cosine 2t minus 4 cosine 2t equal to negative 4 sine t. Then cosine 2t equal to sine t. y2 equal to 4 sine t, the derivative of y2 equal to 4 cosine t, then the second derivative of y2 equal to negative 4 sine t. According to the second derivative of both y1 and y2, we can tell that negative 4 cosine 2t equal to negative 4 sine t, and cosine 2t equal to sine t. Thus, we can get the answer, which is D. Come to this question, evaluate limit h approach 0. 5 multiplied 1 over 2 plus h to the power of 4 minus 5 multiply 1 over 2 to the power of 4 over h. Here is the step, fx equal to 5x to the square of power of 4. The derivative of the function equal to 20x to the power of 3. Then the f derivative 1 over 2 equal to 5 over 2, which means the answer is A. Come to the last question. If f is continuous at 2, 6 with f2 equal to 20 and f6 equal to 10, then the intermediate volume theorem says which of the following is true. So according to this theorem, we can easily find out that the first one and the third one is totally false. Based on the theory, we can tell that the second answer is the only correct answer. Then we can choose B here. That's all. Thanks for listening. So I'm gonna to continue the presentation from this question.
Is C. And this questions is